So this is a little bit of a bittersweet review for us. We actually had no intention of getting this item or reviewing this item. We've covered Skyted quite a bit since their first initial offering was showcased at CES, a mask with a speaker built into it for private conversations, utilizing aerospace technology for the material to help really block out the sound. We like this because we can sit in onto conferences and items and locations and be able to record audio without worrying about our audio bothering people near us or interrupting the actual presentation as a whole. So when they basically decided to pivot away from the mask-like option and go to their 320 headset, we were actually very disappointed. And we had told them several times we did not want to swap over to the 320 headset. But with time and with their, outright refusal to move forward on the masked object anymore, they just sent us the 320 headset against our interest and wishes, which is disappointing. They do recommend that you download, or say that you have to download the Skyted app before using the product, which can work for Google Play or the App Store. It's considered to be the world's first silent headset because it's able to reduce ambient noises, and utilizing very, very strong microphones, they can pick up muted whispers as you're speaking, as you're going about, and therefore even utilizing AI, clarify and adjust your audio so other people listening to it will be able to hear it well. Another thing they just showcased at CES this year is the app specifically will tell you if you're being too loud and others can hear you, which would require you to be looking at your phone to see if your sound bubble's working, which is, again, something that we're not really super interested in. But they sent it to us. We're disappointed, but let's take a look. We will be as honest and fair about this product as we can be, considering our disappointment, as we always are. It comes in a nice case, which is good for travel. They don't have to worry about things getting damaged. This is the actual headset. You've got earbuds that go into your actual ears, as well as what looks to be the format of a bone-conducting headset. Then the boom mic clearly has a swivel out, as well as a pop filter, because I don't know if you know this, when you do whisper a lot, you do a lot of pop noises because you're trying to be very quiet. In case you hear that, in case you're trying to be really quiet. This will fit on your head like so. Pieces there, and then this goes into the ear. Great. There's nowhere to adjust the head plate. These pieces here keep sliding actually into my ears and smacking them. They probably could have been a little bit higher up or tighter, but as it sits right now, they sit below my ears ever so slightly, giving you room to plug this in. And then, like I said, when you move your head back, you tilt or look up, it smacks them into the item, and it's very uncomfortable. Not a good design choice on their part at all, because this requires you to really be still. I mean, you're getting mobile, walking around, you're on airplanes, you're getting comfortable. These things are going to keep smacking around back and forth, and I'm sure that'll make some noise in the system. You appear to have your controls, plus, minus, on, off, and then a little flap here for the USB-C charging cord. Great. It doesn't want to go back into the hole. Awesome. There we go. In here we have additional little earbuds, sizing I'm guessing, a little guide, a USB-A to USB-C for charging, but the little Velcro bag makes it stick to the felt. It's a little annoying. And then a little mini pouch here tucked in there is, I'm guessing, a USB-C dongle for connecting this to your computer. So unfortunately, if you do have a computer that is older, that doesn't have a USB-C plug, this will not work with that computer. But you can use this, I'm guessing, for your newer laptops. Hopefully you don't need this for a phone. Hopefully this connects with Bluetooth, because it would be really horrible if it doesn't work with Bluetooth. Yeah, so it has Bluetooth, so that's just for the PCs. There's apparently also another button here. This little button here is for muting the microphone. Yeah, I'm not super impressed with this so far. Make sure to dispose of your silicone packets properly so you don't injure any animals. The boom mic has a distance of only travel. It can't go past that point. So you be very precise when you circle it back around for storage. Yeah. Let's go take this, download the app, and showcase how the app works, and then record some audio, play it back for you on the headset, and we'll see how it does. We'll be right back. So you should be able to hear me normally through the camera right now. I'm not yet exporting the audio through here. We're currently updating the headphones. And you do need a serial number from your purchase, specifically for the headset to work with the app. If you don't have the serial number, then tough. That's just the way it is. So this is okay. So I can be heard up to 2 meters away. But this is me whispering, and so you can see I'm whispering what I'm saying right now. I'm being very quiet, and it's saying it can hear me up to 1.4 meters. Intelligibly, perceptibility. Okay, so I can just hear that I'm talking. I can hear I'm talking at about 1 point, maybe more. So you want to work on this tool to adjust the level of volume and the height at which you're saying it. So you can adjust. So right now you should actually be hearing me through my microphone on the camera feed. And then of course there's my microphone here going into the phone. Yeah, can you hear a difference? Can you hear me whispering? I've got within 3 meters. They can hear me supposedly through this pretty easily, in theory, and even though I'm whispering, and I don't know how much you can hear me on this microphone, but that's what the difference is between the two. Yeah, can you hear a difference? Can you hear me whispering? I've got within 3 meters. They can hear me supposedly through this pretty easily, in theory, and even though I'm whispering, I don't know how much you can hear me on this microphone, but that's what the difference is between the two. So now we've checked out and given our usage of the brand new Skyted 320 headset, and frankly, it's a little frustrating. The microphone is stronger. It picks up at a lower note, of course, where the other one doesn't. But it's not what I wanted. I wanted the masked option, so I'm a little bit frustrated there. I don't think it corrects your whispering enough to not be weird to the person you're talking to. So you're talking to somebody and they're all like, because you can really hear when someone's whispering. I don't care if they amplify it or they kind of adjust it. You're hearing somebody whispering into the phone. And I'm not calling you for an ASMR phone call. I'm calling you to get answers to information, business related situations. It's just sometimes it's not appropriate to be all like, hey, so I'm here to tell you this. It's a little weird. Does it have a place in the world? Sure. It has a value. Just not the value that I was looking for when we originally backed this project, is what I would say. So it's a little frustrating for sure. But hopefully you guys like our review. Hopefully this is enough to give you an idea whether you should pick it up for yourself. Unfortunately, the masked option is probably never going to come from Skyted. So consider that. And we will see you guys next time. Bye.